Hey guys, welcome back to Help Email Tales. So, if you're trying to set up a Comcast email account but you're not sure where to start, don't worry, it's actually way easier than it looks. A lot of people get stuck on sign in and verification steps, but I'll walk you through everything in simple and clear steps. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a Comcast email account. Open your browser and go to Xfinity website. At the top right screen, you'll see a sign in option. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be redirected to sign in page. Here, click on the Create a new Xfinity ID option. On the next page, you'll be prompted to provide your mobile number. Go ahead and provide your mobile number and click on Continue. Now, you'll receive a code on your provided mobile phone. Enter the code in the field and click on Continue. If prompted, to confirm the street address, after that, follow the next prompts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.